Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, we're going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This here came in my package, just paper. And in here, it shows both subscriptions, the Check Beads exclusive and the BohemStyle. And I just wanted to point out to you guys that both of these boxes are coming from Check Beads exclusive. And you can go to this website here on the bottom to read more about each box. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that. And now we're going to open this, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. Now, this is my second time I have gotten this subscription, and the first one I got, well, they're all going to be like this. There's this piece of paper in here that has a link to a website that I have to go to. It's my own personal link because I'm subscribed to this company, for a tutorial showing me how to make projects that are in this box. Okay, so I have not looked in this box. It's my first time looking in this box, and I have no idea what the projects are going to be. I don't know if this is a necklace, bracelet, earrings. I don't know anything about it, but I will go to the link after I film this video and see what the projects are. Okay, so let's see, that's everything in the box. I'm going to open this up and see beads are in here. Okay, so we have some Check Fire Polish beads. These are metallic color, a very pretty gold. I'm thinking that these are 10 or 12 millimeter Check Fire Polish beads. And here's a giant one. This one's big. Maybe this is a 16 millimeter, I'm thinking. We have some crimp covers. So in the last BohemStyle box I got, there was two projects in there. There was this bracelet that I loved so much. It matches a shirt that I have. It has the same colors as the shirt, so I really liked the bracelet because of that. And also the necklace in that box was really nice. So here are some more Check Fire Polish beads. These are 8 millimeter. And then we have, let's see. Here is a lobster claw. Crimps. These are bronze Check Fire Polish beads. These are all 3 millimeter, looks like. We have a split ring. We have bead stringing wire in gold color. Here are some pearls, and they're check pearls. These are huge. Maybe 14 millimeter. And then we have, oh, and by the way, there are product codes on here, and you just have to go to this site and put the product code in to find the same beads if you want more of them. These are 6 millimeter. I think this is called an Aztec gold. Those are Check Fire Polish. And, oh, this looks like a stretchy cord. Maybe there'll be a stretchy bracelet in here. Oh, there's some of these. So I've got these in a previous subscription from, oh, I don't remember, but I made, I think it was 2 pendants using these beads. They called them button beads, check button beads, and I made 2 pendants using these beads, and I just used one bead as the center of the pendant, and that turned out really cool. Oh my gosh, I love the black. Look at the black one. That's so pretty. Wow, there's a lot of these. Okay, then there's 4 millimeter Drux, Aztec gold color, and then we have 6 millimeter in Drux. These are 6, and then we have 4 millimeter. This is that gold color again. And then there is 8 millimeter Drux, and this is, I think, 10 millimeter Check Fire Polish beads. So there's supposed to be 2 projects in each BohemStyle box you get. And like I said, I have no idea what the project is going to be. I'm going to have to go online to the website that is in this paper and see what they are. and I'll follow the tutorial and I will make them, and I will post a picture at the beginning of this video of what the finished pieces look like, and I'll also have a picture at the end of the video. So there is a lot of stuff in this, and I'm really loving these here. These are drop dead gorgeous. So pretty. I love those. Okay, so I will leave a link for the BohemStyle box down there in the description bar so you guys can go and check it out if you want. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you're looking for a subscription that does projects like this, this is a good one to go with. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos. And like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.